My Life in the Future, Part 2. Wendy Janet Páez Castro. Question 1. Where are you going to work in 5 years? For 5 years, my goal is to be able to be outside the countries exercising the logistics in a multinational, giving support and security through GPS. Question 2. What will be your greatest achievement at work? My greatest achievement at work is to keep climbing up units I get to the management and be able to speak English correctly since it is essential. Question 3. Why will not you work independently? The independent work is like the build stage that I have in my future project, which is in standby for time uses since it requires on deduct buses. Question 4. What will you get your income in the future? My income will be obtained through my position that will be a manager, and by that time I hope to have my own business which will buy a coffee with space to read and meditate. Question 5. When will you work and dine? For the uses of working at night, I already left it as a good experience since at last your most thanking shift in the company where I currently work. Thanks to my dedication and effort, I climbed a better position with vision to continue evolution. Thank you.